Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be making a makeup tutorial that goes with this shirt. So it's gonna be a pink eyeshadowy look because the shirt, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's pink. So yes, let's start. Alrighty, so I'm going to be working with my Too Faced Natural Love palette. It looks like this. So today the colors I'm going to be using: Bunny Nose, Kittens, Pink Cheeks, Cutie Patootie, Lace Teddy. Such a pretty color. And I'm going to drag this color up, way up to my brow.
It's very pigmented. So all the way up to my brow.
On the other side. Now I'm going to take the slightly darker color called Kittens, and I'm just going to put it in my corner. And I'm just going to blend it out a little bit on my crease. I'm lightly packing the product. Now lastly, I'm taking this beautiful color, this vibrant pink named Bunny Nose, and I'm just putting it on the part closest to my lashes. For this part, I'm taking a small sponge applicator. Now I'm going to do my brows. I just use one of these, and then I have one of these old palettes, and I don't know, I'm not a professional with brows, but this is just how I do them. I put my spoolie in the desired color of the eyeshadow I want. And this trick works for me, but I also already have pretty like thick brows. And then I just trace them over with it, like that. And this is how the brows look. Now I'm going to apply my mascara. This is by Lancome. One eye. These are the finished eyes. Okay. Now, next up is blush. This is my only blush in this little thing. It's called the Supernatural Coloring Book, and I've used this so much, as you can see. Up here you have a cream blush, and down here you have like a powdered one. I'm just going to be using this cream blush. That's it for blush. And next up is lipstick. So this is the 24-hour Stay Color L'Oreal lipstick, and the number on it is 105. So since I'm not very precise at applying lipstick, I'm going to be using an angled brush, which is great for untalented people like me. So, this is the lipstick.